Can one WhatsApp message hack your phone? Usually no. Simply receiving a normal message does not normally give another person control of your device. But that message can be the first step in a scam that steals your WhatsApp account, your passwords, your money, or, in rare cases, compromises the phone itself. Here is what is really possible. WhatsApp protects personal messages and calls with end-to-end encryption. That means outsiders cannot simply read the conversation while it travels between two devices. But encryption cannot protect you from your own actions. If a message convinces you to open a fake website, share a security code, scan a QR code, or install something dangerous, the scammer may not need to break the encryption at all. The first common method is a fake link. The message may claim that you won a prize, missed a delivery, need to verify your bank account, or must act immediately. The link opens a page designed to look legitimate and asks for a password, card information, or a verification code. When you enter it, you are giving the information directly to the scammer. The second method is device linking. A scammer may ask for your phone number and then tell you to share a code that appears in WhatsApp. They may also persuade you to scan a QR code for a competition, a job, technical support, or account verification. That QR code may secretly link the scammer's computer to your WhatsApp account. The third risk is a dangerous file, fake application, or outdated software. An ordinary image or document is usually not enough to take over a modern phone. But opening an unexpected attachment, installing an unofficial app, or delaying important security updates can create unnecessary risk. Another method is a SIM swap. In this attack, a criminal convinces your mobile network to transfer your phone number to a different SIM. The attacker may then receive verification messages and attempt to register your accounts on another device. There are also rare but sophisticated spyware attacks that may target journalists, public figures, activists, or other high-risk users. These attacks are very different from the ordinary scam messages most people receive, but they are another reason to keep WhatsApp and the phone's operating system updated. So how do you protect yourself? Never share a WhatsApp verification or device linking code. Do not scan a QR code sent by an unknown person. Avoid unexpected links and attachments, even when the message appears to come from someone you know. Open WhatsApp settings and regularly check linked devices. Remove anything you do not recognize. Turn on two-step verification, use only the official WhatsApp application, and install security updates quickly. If you believe your account has already been compromised, act immediately. Disconnect unknown linked devices. Re-register your phone number in WhatsApp. Contact your mobile provider if your SIM has stopped working, and change the passwords of any email or financial accounts that may be connected. Warn your contacts because the attacker may use your identity to scam them next. So, can a WhatsApp message hack your phone? A normal message usually cannot do it by itself. The real danger begins when the message tricks you into opening, sharing, scanning, installing, or approving something you should not. The strongest protection is not fear. It is recognizing the trick before you take the next step.